Hello everyone! Today is Friday, November 13th, and these are your expectations for physical science, week 10. Alright, so today we are wrapping up the week with a video on physical and chemical change, where you will watch it together in class, or if you are at home or working on your own, just click this link and it will pull up in YouTube on your computer. This is just a short ad that you can skip and then watch the video on your computer. Alright, when you are done with the video, we are going to play a Kahoot in our class together. Let me see here. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. We're going to play a Kahoot in our classroom together. If you are at home or working on your own, we have the link here posted for you to go into the Kahoot. And ready, set, go. Enter your game pin. And you are able to play on your own. Okay, go and play the Kahoot on your own so you can practice our matter and energy unit. Alright. And there you go. That is what we are doing today, Friday. What is due by midnight on Sunday? Your lesson review questions from page 219, your words to know 136, 15.1 exercise 60, 15.1 practice 137, your flip grid, your lesson review questions on page 222, and your 15.2 exercise 61. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need to talk with me one-on-one. Y'all have a wonderful weekend and be safe. Bye.